Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to fix your device or account being banned on Snapchat. This is new version. So the first thing that we're going to do is to go to our Snapchat app, and then here let's just tap and hold the app. It will show you the option to uninstall the app. So one way to fix your account being banned, just uninstall and reinstall your app. Another way is to go to your settings and then tap on the search bar and type here date and time. And then here, what we're going to do is to turn this set time automatically, set time zone automatically, and this use location to set time zone. After turning all of that, just tap on the date option and advance your date into 1 month. So as for me, now is May, so let's just put it on June. This is also a one way to fix your account being banned. So the last option that we're going to do if the problem is still haven't fixed, go to my Google browser, and then here let's just type on the search bar Snapchat support and then tap on that. So here on the Snapchat website, let's just tap on the 3-bar line here, and then it will show you the option to contact us. Just tap on that, and then here you'll be asked questions. So let's just tap on this I can't access my account, and then scroll down. After that, you'll be asked to answer the following questions. So here you'll have to put your email, your username, your mobile number, and your device. You could also type here on the description bar on what are the reasons that you think your account is being banned. So after that, typing your problem, you could also add a file if you have a file. And then after filling all the questions, you can now tap on this submit option, and you'll just have to wait for 24 hours, and then your problem for your account being banned will be fixed. So that's how you fix your device or account on Snapchat being banned. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.